Alright, what we're doing, we got the camera set up in the front corner. We can't get our garage doors. Everybody we talk to, we're talking about months. We got a lot of stuff in our camper. We can't come up and stay because we don't have any room. So we want to get that stuff out, but we won't be able to lock it up. And so we're trying to just close up this solar shed. We just closed up the doors temporarily. We put the zip on there, screwed it in all the way around, put the board backer behind it. And we're doing that so we can just lock the building up. So we had to go get a door, and we're gonna cut this front corner out. And of course, we already had our electric in, so I'm fixing to undo the electric, get it out of here. And then we're going to cut this out and reframe for the door. Get the door in, then we'll rewire around it. So that way we still have an entrance door to get in and out, but just board it up because we're going to have to wait several months, it looks like, to get our garage doors.
Yep, I'm going to go in.
Okay. This will be fun. I need to get my ones.
Well, I got
the part in that water. And it'll be over here, so. I'll take the garage doors. So take her. Wait a minute.
the standard, what is it, 8x7?
Yeah,
But we got,
I'm really losing. Well,
well, I did. Is it for now?
go back, lock the mallet. So.
So we're gonna get new wire.
Look at my first plug.
Plug in here?
Yeah.
Okay,
I don't have to come in and go on the camera. And so, these are two you decide to take out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the problem, if we got all the screws, we'll have to dig, find screws, pull it out. We'll have to go between the first seam, where two sheets come together. So,
Half? So for the door?
yeah. Okay, that's loose. That's loose. Okay.
Our bag of tricks. And maybe in one of the doors of the truck.
Yep. Anchor out. And
Okay, some of the screws we got to take out's under the tape, and that's going to be fun to take off.
Oh, I need the big one back at.
That's what you're using to cut the conch.
Okay, now that is a nail. That's a nail. That's a nail.
I think all the rest of those are nails. Oh, wait a minute. No, that looks like a nail too.
That's a nail. That's a nail. Okay, so we've got this board, and this board. So we don't have to take the second seam off, that's good. But we do have to get...
Yeah, because here's the seam where this black
concrete
is right there.
So we'll have to cut through the concrete and through this and get those boards out. So, since these are mainly nails, there's not going to be a really good way to get them out other than if we pull it out. We ain't even finished building, we're already doing demolition.
Yeah. Sort of looks that way.
Well, that's what we're doing.
Might help if I have the camera down here. Now you only have to go up so many feet, right?
No, I gotta go out.
You gotta take all of it out?
Well, we could leave them in there
Part of it.
and cut out enough space for a header
Yeah.
that we build. But these are gonna be in the wrong place, but they can still sit on the header. So we could do that. So if it's that way, let's see how high. So from the bottom of this pan up. 82 and a quarter. 82 and a quarter. And then we'll have to go ahead and build our header first and measure it, and then add that, probably cut them out up here somewhere
Okay.
for the header. And hopefully we can cut it out and get it all in there in place, and then put the king studs on the outside, because these have to come out. There's just not enough space between them. They're actually 33 and 7/8, and between them we have to have 33 and a half, and we're only 31,
Okay.
so they got to come out.
Oh boy.
Now the next question is, what do I have to cut through that? Because that's really what I need to do next before I keep prying and pull it loose up there.
Right.
So we got to build our header.
All right, let's do it then. Do it, do it, do it. Now we're measuring for the header.
We're trying.
Okay.
I'm having a hard time. Where I made that first mark was pretty close. Okay, now, give me that long bubble level. I'm not gonna measure the others.
Just bubble level it.
Yeah,
That'll work. Should.
I'm just gonna bubble it. If I can even hold this without it moving. All right. So those are marked. I need to go ahead and cut them before I try to pull
Those out.
these off anymore. Yep. But I don't want to cut through this. I got to cut just this. Don't know how that's going to work out. My saw, I don't think there's any chance that it will cut that deep. Well, I can't really see. That's
Uh-oh.
exactly what I didn't want to happen.
And it did.
Okay. But that's all right. Let me put it back.
Well, that nail missed it anyway.
That's why it pulled off. Oh, these are the ones that was behind the tape. There's probably
Yeah.
still some screws in it.
It's about to get a mother snow.
Man, I hate to go out there and cut my zip tape, but I ain't got no choice. Well, that's gonna be cut out. And actually, this edge is gonna be cut out. So, I can just maybe. Well, them screws. Hold. Where's my other hammer? It's got the straight claws.
Did I see that? I think it's in the truck. I'll get it.
That's why I like these hammers. So better than them. Man, them screws. They hold.
Well, it pulled right through.
Yeah.
But the tape's still there. Or it should be.
Yeah, should be. Okay. All right, break down. So what did I decide? 80 and 5/8? You got it?
I got that.
Let's see. I need it to come down that way. What's it hung on?
I guess because I'm holding it down.
Okay. No!
Sorry.
You gotta go back down. I think it's moved. I just stepped on it. Yeah, it was the 16th, but I don't worry about it. 16th. gun. Got it?
Yeah.
Hand me my hammer. I hate this gun. Got to make everywhere in the world gets shoot.
Well, I thought it was supposed to be the best there was.
Well, it's rated best. But I don't like it. It's fine if it's right side up. It's when you turn it sideways or upside down.
That right board's a little short.
Do what?
The right board, the 2x4 is a little short at the top.
Okay. Now. It's going down in, but I guarantee you
It won't come out.
come out. Okay. Now this little piece and countersink it.
That worked.
Yep. Okay.
We need to get some of this stuff out of the way. It's got grass on the bottom of it.
You don't fit. You're putting your end in too quick.
Alright.
Whoa. It don't fit. I don't get that.
I still have a little room over here.
It don't fit.
I think it's this bottom piece over here. I think it's cut. To that bottom piece.
It's pretty close. And I just wanted to see. It'll go. But on this side, look here. I need to put a few more screws up here into this thing before we did this other, not this one.
Okay.
And I'll trim that
It's
out
a
a little bit.
really tight fit.
Well, most everybody else is they put them in their sloppy loose and they got to put all kinds of board and
Okay,
pins.
let's get it out.
Okay. Just pull the top. Okay. All right. That's good. Just set it down right there.
It's just a little tight, and we're gonna fix it.
Yeah, I think it'll be just fine. I'd rather it go in tight than have to use 50 shims. All right, we're taking a break. We'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, we wanted to show you this. We got this thing in. It was a booger. It was tight, but it went in pretty good. We would have showed you the whole thing, but a battery went dead. And then we had to stop and put it on charge, and we didn't want to just sit here and do nothing because we have little time up here as it is. So we just kept working while the battery was charging. Now it's through. And we got this in from this side, put zip tape around it, sealed it off, caulked it, got it set back up in there. We got tar paper underneath the very bottom. And then, if I can walk in here without dumping the tripod. And then this is what it looks like from the inside. Of course the camera's dark in here, but anyway, you can see all the caulk that shot out on the concrete under the floor when we set it down because we put a lot on it. And it opens and closes good. I just need to put the handles in it. But anyway, that's what we'll do next.